Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Nareswari Salsabila from the Business Education Program, Class A, student ID 1707625049. On this occasion, I will present the research finding of Group 2. So the title of the Group 2 project is the analysis of the use of social media as a business platform among university students in Jakarta. So, before I begin the presentation, I would like to briefly explain the process behind completing this report. Initially, our group title was The Importance of Personal Branding via Social Media for University Students Entering the World of Entrepreneurship. However, due to a mismatch between the title and the research instrument, so we decided to change the title. So, the material that will be discussed, one, the research background, two, research objective, three, methodology, four, key findings, five, business implication, six, recommendation, and the last, e-booklet showcase. So, the research background. Advancement in technology and the internet have transformed social media into not only a communication tool, but also an effective business medium. University students have a significant opportunity to leverage social media for entrepreneurship due to low cost, ease of access, and broad market reach. However, this potential has not been fully realized due to the lack of digital marketing strategy and content creator skill, as well as intense competition in the online business landscape. Therefore, this study aims to analyze how university students in Jakarta use social media for business purpose and to identify the factor of the facilitated or hidden this effort. So why our group chose the sample university student, especially from Jakarta? Because it's aligned better with our research objective and the facilities are data collecting. Furthermore, Jakarta boasts high rate of internet and social media use, making students in the area relevant responder for analysis. Social media as a business tool, limiting the research scope, also help us obtain more focused data by reducing the variation in respondent characteristic. Next is the research objective. First, to analyze how students in Jakarta utilize social media conducting business activities. Second, to identify the social media platform most frequently used by students for entrepreneurship. Three, to analyze the factor influencing the use of social media as a business medium among students. Four, to understand the benefit of challenge students face when using social media for business activity. Five, to provide an overview of the effectiveness of using social media to support student entrepreneurial activity in Jakarta. Next is the methodology. This student employed a quantitative descriptive result designed to analyze the use of social media as a business platform among university students in Jakarta. The research was conducted online using a Google Form questionnaire distributed to 108 university students from various higher education institutions in Jakarta who were selected through purpose sampling. The questionnaire measured responder perspective of using social media for business activity using a 5-point Likert scale. The collected data were then analyzed using descriptive statistics to identify responder pattern and provide a clear overview of how university students utilize social media as a business platform. There's a business implication. The first one, to help business understand student use of social media for business activity. Second, support university in improving digital entrepreneurship education. Next, provide insight for government program and that promote digital entrepreneurship and MSMI development. The last, encourage more effective use of social media as a business platform. So we have 5K findings. The first one, high social media use. 49.1% of respondents use social media 5 to 10 hours per day. Social media has become an integral part of student daily activity, creating strong opportunity for digital entrepreneurship. Next, positive perception of social media feature. More than 49.1% and 35.2% and 83.3% of respondents strongly agreed that social media features are easy to use for business activity. Students perceive social media as an accessible and effective business platform. Next, students have adequate digital capability. Most respondents stated that they possess sufficient knowledge and skill to access and utilize social media feature. Digital capability support the effective implementation of online business activity. Next, strong entrepreneurial intention. 85.2% of respondents intend to use social media when starting a business. Social media is viewed as a strategic tool for marketing, branding, and customer engagement. The last social media support business growth. Respondents believe that social media contributes to business development through wide market reach, easier communication, and cost-effective promotion. Next is a recommendation. The first one is improve digital marketing skill. University should provide training in digital marketing, content creator, branding, and social media management to help students develop their business skill. Next, strengthen digital and financial literacy. Students should improve their digital literacy, business knowledge, and responsible use of social media to support sustainable entrepreneurial activity. Next, encourage innovation and creativity. Students are encouraged to create innovation product and engage digital content of increase their competitiveness in digital marketplace. Next, build university support programs. University should develop an entrepreneurship program, mentoring, and business incubator to support students in starting and growing their business. Next, future research. Future studies should involve a large and more diverse sample and examine additional factors that influence the use of social media as a business platform. Next is the conclusion. The study conclusion that social media has become a strategic business platform for university students. The first one, high social media engagement. Most respondents actively use social media every day, indicating strong exposure to digital platforms and opportunities for entrepreneurship. Second, positive perception toward business utilization. The majority of respondents agreed that social media is easy to use, provides useful information, and support business activities effectively. Adequate digital capability, students generally possess sufficient science, knowledge, and skill to utilize social media features for communication, marketing, and business development. Next, strong entrepreneurial intention. Most respondents expressed their intention to use social media when establishing for expanding a business in the future. Next, implication. Universities taught trench digital and entrepreneurship education by provide training in digital content creator and social media business management to prepare students for the digital economy. Overall, social media is no longer merely a communication tool but has evolved into an effective platform that supports entrepreneurship, marketing, and sustainable business development among university students. So, this is our booklet. This is our booklet. So the content of the booklet is more or less the same as the PowerPoint. Table of content, executive summary, background of the study, research objective, methodology, business implication, key findings, recommendation, conclusion, reference, and reference. So that concludes my presentation on our group research findings. Please accept my apologies for any errors. Thank you.